You may have heard of black seed oil and most likely heard of people talking about the benefits of the stuff. I know I have. But what exactly is black seed oil? What do people use it for? And is there any truth to it actually working? So, black seed oil. I first heard about this many months ago from a friend suffering from hair loss. He swore that putting black seed oil on his hair every day made a real difference to his hair situation. I didn't really question it, but a few weeks later, I heard someone else mention it having benefits for a whole host of other things. Psoriasis, acne, and aiding in weight loss too. You can buy black seed oil in a whole host of places, so it's pretty easy to find. So I was really interested to have a look at this and see if there's anything to it. So where does black seed oil actually come from? Black seed oil comes from a plant called the Nigella sativa. This is a plant native to Western Asia and Eastern Europe. The seeds are often dry roasted and used in Indian and Middle Eastern cooking, but it has a really strong smell to it. Many times when it's used in hair care or skincare products, they use perfume to mask the smell. I'm going to look at 3 of the most common uses I've heard black seed oil being used for and look into whether there's any evidence of it actually working. Now let's look at psoriasis. Some studies have found that black seed oil can help with the treatment of psoriasis. The problem is though that the research hasn't been done on humans, only rats. There was a small study done on a small group of 12 people using a cream to treat psoriasis and it was quite successful. The only thing is this cream contained other ingredients like olive oil, cocoa butter and some vitamins, so it's hard to pinpoint the benefits only on black seed oil for this one. Now let's look at hair loss. Hair loss would probably be the most common benefit to black seed oil that I've heard about. I know some people who swear by putting it on your hair, and there are numerous hair care products that contain black seed oil as an ingredient, but are there actually any proven benefits to it? One small study done in 2014 found that mixing black seed oil with coconut oil does actually have a positive effect. The subjects of the study applied it to their hair 3 times a day to see the effects. Another study done on 90 people found that products containing black seed oil reduced hair loss after 90 days. The thing is, the product they used contained other products, so the benefits can't be exclusively attributed to black seed oil alone. Now let's look at weight loss. What some people do is take 1 to 2.5 grams daily, but not just in the oil form. The powder form of black seed can be taken raw or added to smoothies or teas or however. One study was done on 84 obese women. The women who consumed 3 grams of black seed oil per day while also following a low-calorie diet at the end of the study lost more weight than those who followed just a low-calorie diet alone. There was another study involving 45 women who were either overweight or obese. I have no idea why they're only doing these studies on women, but these women took 2,000 milligrams of black seed oil every day for 8 weeks and their appetite decreased, their body mass index decreased, and weight and body fat went down too. As mentioned, I've included all of the links to these studies in the description for you to look at yourself. I've never used black seed oil myself, but looking at these results, it does look interesting. But at the same time, I do feel that more research needs to be done. So should you use black seed oil? There's enough evidence there to warrant trying it at least. I don't think it will do you any harm and it doesn't really cost much either. Yes, you could say that not all of the studies are 100% conclusive, but like I said, it wouldn't really do you any harm. The only thing that could give you real problems is the smell, but it might not be so bad if you mix it with things like coconut oil. If it works for you and you've seen results from it, then keep going. As mentioned, I've linked all of the studies I looked at in the description of this video, so do check that out for yourself. So do you use black seed oil and does it work for you? And if not, what other things do you use? Sharing your experiences could actually help someone else, so let us know in the comments below. Now with that being said, thank you for watching and don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and as usual, I'll see you on the next one.